Okay, so the ingredients are half a kilogram of chicken meat.
Filet.
It's filet chicken meat, and then garlic, onion, bird eye chili, and red eye chili, and then
Seasoning.
fried chicken flour
Seasoning fried chicken flour.
for frying, and then you can adjust the ingredients to your preferences. You can add as much or as little ingredients as you like, according to your own portion. The next step is to start filleting the chicken.
Slicing the fillet
Oh yeah, slicing the chicken.
like this.
So can you slice it like dice, or do you have to slice it into?
I suggest you not to do that. I'm afraid that it won't cook well done.
Okay. So after slicing the chicken, we add
Some seasoning,
yep, this is for marinating the chicken.
a teaspoonful, teaspoonful
Of mushroom
seasoning,
and
half teaspoon
of pepper,
pepper.
and then you knead it into the
Mix it, stir it well.
into the chicken.
Leave it for half an hour.
So do you need to put it in the refrigerator?
No need, just put it. Meanwhile, we can chop the garlic and onion and the chilies.
Okay. The next step is slicing the onions, garlics, and the chilies. Like I said, you can add as much or as little as you like. And then because I like garlic and onion, I want it a lot in the dish. But if you don't like it, you can add less than this. If you like chili, then you can add more chili. If you like onion, you can add more onion, and so on. Okay, so
It's
after
beginning to fry.
yep, after 30 minutes, you can pour the oil into the frying pan, and then you can start coating the chicken with, I use my hand, with
Whatever you like.
with
Seasoning powder.
seasoning flour.
Okay.
So you can, if you are easily grossed out, you can use tongs. But if you are not easily grossed out, and maybe if you like it fast, you can just use fingers like me. Just don't forget to
Clean up your
to wash your hands first. Okay, so the next step is, after make sure that the oil is hot enough, you can begin frying the chicken like this until it's golden brown. Okay, after we done with the chicken like this, the next step is to stir fry all the ingredients.
chili.
Yep, the onion, the garlic, and the chili. This may look a lot, but if you mix it with the chicken, it doesn't look like much. Don't forget about the salt too, because it's one of the main ingredients. Because the dish called Ayam cabe garem, which means chicken, chili and salt. Okay, so after we are done with the other ingredients, it's time to put the chicken. Put it all in, and then just mix it until it's all mixed.
Turn off the light. Turn off the fire.
So it doesn't get burned.
Overcook.
Oh, okay. Okay, after done mixing it, all we need to do is to transfer it to the plate. Okay, after plating it, this is the final result. This dish, you can eat it with rice, you can add it to your noodles, you can add it to any kind of carbohydrate that you like. So that's it, the tutorial of making ayam cabe garam. I hope you like the video.